Radam.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, my question is, do you think the new gun law in Jamaica is working? That's the question I'm asking in this video. Do you think the new gun law is working? I'm going to give you my opinion on what I think. Let's go.
So all of those little boys running around with guns who believe that sure, them will go in front of a judge and they will plead a case and they will go through some bargaining process and they get 6 months and come out. Rubbish! What them say? Radam! You're going to get 15 years minimum. Radam!
That was the Prime Minister talking. Him say, Radam. Go there, Andrew, do your thing. But, okay, let's put this into perspective. The gun law, it looks good on paper. To me, it looks good on paper. And I think it's the right move in Jamaica. But the problem lies within the closing of the cases and within the work the police them is doing. Even though we have the gun law, we still have a lot of guns out there and still a lot of shooting and murders. It's probably up to like 50 murder or more now. Because the last statistic I looked on was January 16th. And 13 hours ago, you just have a Brinks truck get leaked over Portmore and them take away $10 million. And them kill a security guard. Them shouldn't kill the security guard. But yo, straight up, me don't mind them take the money. You understand? Me don't mind them take the money because the government and the plutocracy in Jamaica is unbearable. So what them expect people to do? Anyways, back to this gun law. I think the infrastructure needs to be updated to match the gun law because they're catching these criminals with guns and then they go into the system and the system is still overburdened. And I think the couple people made comment of that once this new gun law comes into place, the infrastructure to move the cases forward and the infrastructure to keep these people and keep things the proceeding in a productive way, it's not there. And I think that's the biggest problem. So that's why I'm saying the justice system, the prosecutor and the police, them need to be more productive. And the judges, prosecutor, police and judges, especially the justice system in terms of how the cases move forward through the system. And then you need the infrastructure, so we need more prisons. So I think that should have been in this new bill. I think the politicians them do for them part, but them should have had new infrastructure in this new gun law, and I think it would have worked better. But for so far, like I say, the statistic is kind of out there. We don't know yet, but my opinion is we need more productivity in the justice system, meaning the prosecutor, the police, and stuff like that for this gun law for work. And that's the way I feel. Let me know What you guys think? If this new gun law in Jamaica is working? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.